Hey there, we're still in week 4, yeah? Now we're going to look at percentage and relative error and tolerance. That will end our topic of error, yeah? So come with me, please. I left you with least unit of measurement and how to find absolute error. So we are continuing from that. Come. So we have percentage and relative error. So percentage error, here's a formula. AE standing for absolute error over TM standing for true measure times 100%, because that's percentage error. Then we have relative error, which is AE absolute error over TM true measure. True measure means the original number. So two examples here. Examples. Find the percentage error of 10 correct to 2 decimal places. So here it's supposed to be percentage error. Find the percentage error of 10 correct to 2 decimal places. So here, solution. So we have, our number that we have is 10. So what is the least unit of measurement of 10? 10 is a whole number. The least unit of measurement is 1. Yeah? After our volume, we find absolute error. Absolute error is half times lum. So here we have half times 1. So this will give us 0.5. So this is our absolute error. We found our absolute error. So our percentage error, the formula is AE over TM times 100%. So our AE is what? Our AE is 0.5 over true measure is 10 times 100%. Yeah? So simple. Let's do this. This 0 will cancel this 0. So 0.5 times 10% is 5%. So 0.5 times 10% is 5%. So now check this question. Find the percentage error of 10 correct to 2 decimal places. There's no decimal place here. So what we do, we just create our own. So therefore, percentage error is equals to 5.00%. You've just put your 0.002. We are following our question here. So 5.00%. Yeah? Then now we have this. Find the relative error of 30.8. Find the relative error of 30.8. 30.8. So, relative error, always start with the formula. So, solution, relative error is equals to AE over TM. So, let's find our AE, absolute error, which is half times lum. Least unit of measurement. What's the least unit of measurement of 30.8? This is 0.1. So our lum is 0.1. So 0.1. So here we have 1 times 0.1 is 0.1 over 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 0. Add the 0. 2 into 10 is 5. So this is our AE, absolute error. So once we have this, it's time to find our final answer. So relative error is equals to our absolute error, 0.05 over true measure, 30.8. But the exam wants you to take this into a fraction. So how do you break this into a whole number? You multiply it times 100. Why 100? Because the number with a higher number of decimal places is 0.5. And these are 2, so this is 100 times 100 here. So 0.05 times 100, it is 5 over 30.8 times 100, that's 2080. This is paper 1, by the way. Now this we have to divide. So 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 3, it can't. 5 into 30 is 6. Yeah, no remainder. 5 into 8 is 1. What's the remainder? 3. You put your 3 here. 5 into 30 is 6. So this is your final answer. You leave your answer into the lowest fraction. Yeah? Let's look at tolerance now. So now we're looking at tolerance. Tolerance, this is a new syllabus, the new topic in the new syllabus. So tolerance, what is tolerance? Tolerance defines the range of values in which a measurement is acceptable. So example, a bag of rice has mass 45.9, positive or negative 0.3. First question, find tolerance of this mass. Find the tolerance of this mass. Simple. So you have 45.9, positive or negative 0.3. What you do is this. You just, first let's start by adding. So 0.3. Yeah? So 9, so 9, we have 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 2 here, we carry 1. Point. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1, 6. So 4. So we have found our first answer. Second answer is 45.9, 0.3. This was plus, this is minus. So what will this give us? This is 6, this is 5, this is 4. So therefore, the tolerance is 46.2, 45.6. So you just add and subtract with this number they've given you. They'll give you different numbers, but that's the idea. Then we have this. Find the relative mass as a fraction in its simplest form. I told you relative mass or relative error is the same thing. So we have absolute error over true measure. So let's find our absolute error here. A is equals to half times lum. Half times lum. So half times our lum of 45.9 is equals to, this is 0.1. So 0.1. So I have 0.1 over 2. So 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 0. Add the 0 here. 2 into 10, 5. So found our absolute error. So now let's finish this. So relative mass is equals to our absolute error 0.05 over, and our true measure is 45.9. We have to make these into whole numbers. So times 100 because of the number of decimal places. You use the number with the highest number of decimal places. Both sides you multiply by 100. So 0.05 times 100 is 5. This will give us 4,590. So 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 4, it can't. 5 into 45, 9. 5 into 9. 5 into 9 is 1. What's the remainder? Is 4. You put here. So this is 40 now. So 5 into 40 is 8. So that's your answer. So this video or this topic is in 2 parts. The first part I've named it as part 1, where we are finding the maximum length and the least unit of measurement. And this is part 2, where we're looking at relative error, percentage error, and tolerance. Yeah. So make sure you go through this. I'll send you the assignment, the quiz. All the best.